In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color the whole row, not just a single cell, using conditional formatting in Excel. This is really useful when you want important rows to stand out at a glance. For example, overdue tasks, high priority items, or anything that meets a specific condition. Instead of only highlighting one cell, we'll make Excel shade the entire row automatically based on the value in a particular column. First, open your Excel file and make sure your data is organized in a table or a clear range of rows and columns with headers at the top. It helps if the column you want to base your rule on is clearly labeled, like status, amount, or due date. Next, select the range of rows you want to format. Click in the top left cell of your data, then drag down and across to the bottom right cell of the area you want highlighted. Be sure to include every column in each row that you want Excel to color. The key is that you select the entire row range first, not just the column with the condition. With that range selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon. Then click on Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. In the New Formatting Rule window, instead of choosing one of the preset options, select Use a Formula to determine which cells to format. This is what allows Excel to apply the rule across whole rows. Now, in the Formula box, you'll enter a formula that refers to the specific column that controls the formatting. For example, if you want to color any row where the value in column C equals completed, and your selected range starts on row 2, you might use a formula like EC2 completed. The $ before the column letter locks the column, while leaving the row number free, so Excel can apply the rule to each row in your selection. After typing your formula, click the Format button, choose the fill color you want for the highlighted rows, and adjust font or border styles if you like. When you're happy with the preview, click OK, then click OK again to apply the rule. You should now see that any row meeting your condition is fully shaded across all selected columns, not just in the condition column. To adjust or remove the rule later, go back to Conditional Formatting and open the Manage Rules option, where you can edit the formula, change the range, or clear the rule entirely.